Alright, this is menu. I'm gonna show you a nice little magic trick on my iPhone. I'm gonna open tapbird. As you can see, I'm not really playing that game, you know, still level 1. Alright, I'm gonna catch the bird right here, and I put it in the inventory. Turn it off. I'm gonna place this bird right here in the tapfish application. All right, it's gonna take a little bit to load. It's a 3GS, the old version, so we gotta be a little bit patient. All right, here we are. So I have a tank here where I put all my exotic fishes. I'm gonna open the inventory and I'm gonna release our little friend. Here we are. Where is he? Oh, there he is. All right.